Hello everyone, welcome back. And here we are on the third level, that is main 3 of hackthis.co.uk. And previously we have successfully cracked level 1 and level 2, where learnings we have got is like we should not ever embed our credentials in our codes. Okay, so now HTML codes was one of those things that was exposed to the client side, and we made use of that, and we were able to find the username and password that was embedded directly into the HTML codes of this website, and we were able to get that and crack it off. Now let's see in level 3 what we have right now. We will go ahead and click on saying show hints. What's the hint here? It says using JavaScript as only method to secure your site is a bad idea. Okay, so now JavaScript, when we say, so even JavaScripts are also exposed when we develop websites as such. The JavaScripts will also be an exposed component to the client side. Okay, there could be Java code that will not be exposed, but yeah, in general you will have those exposed code also. We will try make an attempt and see with a random username and password what it says. Okay, it says this is a alert box of a Java normal alert box of a JavaScript traditional one. So it's very indefinite that this is completely over a JavaScript. The security has been built over it. So there might be some script, and definitely it would have been loaded as a resource. So we'll go and inspect element and see what are the resource that is getting loaded in the backend. So here we are at in elements. We'll go to resource. And there seems to be some issue. Refresh this. Yeah, it's loaded up here again. uh so when we click we see a JavaScript saying incorrect login. You could have searched the same using saying incorrect login, and you'll see that script that gives you an alert message that we saw was this. And let's check out what this script does is on submit it will get element of user, and it will have a value as heaven and password as hell. So again we have two values as a username and password that's in exposed here. We'll try that out, heaven and hell. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we were again able to crack this level also. And again, learning from here is it's a very bad idea. Even if you're doing a validation check or something uh, as such of credentials, and that's getting embedded the logic, or even username and password and credentials are getting embedded in your JavaScript very as much as that is getting exposed to the client side again. So that is the reason why we were able to find out the username and password that was embedded inside a JavaScript which was being exposed to the client side. Okay, so we have hacked main level 3. We will move on to level 4. Okay, meanwhile please feel free to share this video, like, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching the video.